Hi, fellow traders. What's happening? I'm sorry, it's been a minute since I've been able to make one of these videos. I mean, I've been to heaven, I've been to hell. It's just been crazy month, but really been busy trying to get the new website kicked out. That's gonna be a big thing coming. Won't have this elementary school plug and play Mickey Mouse website that I do have. So looking forward to that. It's the holidays came up. Everything has just been crazy. But my number one focus has been on trading and teaching everybody, all the my mentees, trying to make sure you guys are ready for 2023. That's the number one goal here. Um, and I sent this out on social media today. The money you make isn't in your trading. The money you make is in your mindset. All right. If your head isn't right, if you don't have a trader's mindset, you will not make money. It doesn't matter what strategy you have. It doesn't matter who you follow. It doesn't matter what videos you watch, what books you read. It does not matter. If you don't have a trader's mindset, you're not going to get anywhere. And that's what I've been focusing on, trying to get everybody the right mindset. Now, in a couple of weeks, the Trader's Mindset Workshop, I'm going to kick that off in chat. So if you want to be a part of that, if you want to get ready for 2023, come join us in the chat room. It's just go to my website, pick your poison, and come on in. It's gonna get you. It's gonna get your mind right and ready to go in 2023, because that's where your money is made. It's made based on your mindset, not based on your trading. All right, so let's take a look at today. Today, honestly, was a pretty good day. Yesterday was a good day, but I couldn't really trade it. I've been emotional wrecked a couple of days. My dog is dying, and it's one of the dogs I birthed. I helped him be born. His mother was struggling with him. He and his sister, we ended up keeping both of them. But it's been tough. It's a member of the family. But the last couple of days, I haven't really traded much. But I came out today, first day of December, felt pretty good, and knocked off some good trades. But this right here, this is covers from a position that was on from the night before. I wish I could take credit for playing the bounce, but I did play the bounce here. Because you would expect the dip to get bought on these stocks now with the way the market is, and that's exactly what happened. But I left my keyboard cut on, and I don't know which cat, but one of the four cats walked over my keyboard and ended up getting me in this snow trade overnight. I didn't see it till after 9 o'clock, so there was nothing I can do about it, and ended up working out. These are my covers this morning, pre-market, and it hit my target pre-market. So waited for the market to open, and I actually took an aggressive entry on this. Once we broke, let's see, once we took out the high here of the pop on the earnings announcement, once we took that out, I went ahead and got in. This is actually the bottom. I know this is green, but this is the 5-minute open range low. And I got in aggressive, got a nice little move here. Turned out to be a pretty decent trade. And just had to wait all day before it took out the channel. Didn't take out the channel till after 1. I didn't take it on the first break. I waited for the pullback and caught the second. And got a little base hit here. And so I kind of waited. It took out this channel. I got in. And just went ahead and took it off. I didn't realize how late it was, and I wanted to get ready for earnings. So I just took it off. for a small win, but pretty decent trades on Snow. Even though we had this, these trades were pretty decent. Not the best, but we brought home some money. Tesla, I took the 5-minute opening range breakdown on Tesla. This was the 5-minute opening range right here. You can see it had a big wick to the downside. But I could not take this trade until we took out red to green, which was yesterday's close, and this 100-period moving average. Once we got that taken out, I got short. The strategy is once you lose the 5-minute opening range, you get short. With support here, I just had to wait a minute. I got in, got the first target. Second target was going to be the 200 moving average. I set my profit target 25 cents off of this. 25 cents. And it still didn't hit it. Now, I ran into problems before with this coming within 5 and 10 cents. I put this 25 cents off to ensure that I got hit, and it didn't even come close before it turned around in the middle of nowhere. And so I just ended up bailing out and just letting it go. Here we double bottomed on this. Both wicked out to the downside. Too much support. Doesn't make sense to sit here and hold it back to break even. So I went ahead and took it off. And that was it for Tesla. You can see it moved up and it just kind of traded sideways all day. Just kind of traded inside the channel. So that was Tesla. And now the earnings trades. I tried to do the same thing I did on Snow yesterday. Was try to catch the dip. Catch the reversal, buy the dip, whatever you want to call it. The big sell-off, I was looking for it to retrace back up to red to green. It didn't. It kind of hung out here. And then as it started to come back, we rejected lower high, lower low. I went ahead and took it off. And here it eventually turned back around and got in it and got a nice little hit on this. It doesn't look like a big move, but from 129 up to 131, I mean, that's pretty good on that. That's not what I was looking for. I was looking for it to come back up red to green again, maybe kind of reject here, but I'll take it. So a nice day here. Let me pop this out. Oh, I can't get it. But either way, I mean, this was a nice day. I was trying to get, oh, here it is. I was trying to get this popped out for you. Because I know you're going to be asking me what was what. But that's what we ended up with today. I can handle it. After the last couple of weeks we had, I can handle it. Not a problem. But that wraps it up for me today. You guys have a great afternoon. We're going to try to close this week out pretty good. But what's coming up? Next month? Well, this coming month, starting next week. I've had a lot of my mentees have a hard time. They're close to PDT or whatever. You've got this tension to where you just can't lose any money. I typically start every month at 30 grand and kind of work from there. So I have like a $5,000 cushion, but I'm gonna do 27.5 this week, or starting in December, which is next week. I'm gonna do it, and we're gonna be going through it in chat. We're gonna work on the we're gonna work on the risk management program that I shared with you guys today as part of the first 90 days of trading. We're going to put more emphasis on that and just kind of, work. I'm going to trade right alongside you guys like I do all the time, but I'm going to put more emphasis on stressing the right way to manage your risk, because that's key. Having the right risk management mindset is all part of that trader mindset that you got to have. So we will be working on that, and look forward to that to start on Monday. So you guys have a great weekend. I'll see some of you on Sunday for the swing trade deal. The rest of you guys, I will see Monday morning.